Hello, my name is Sergi Rimbau and I'm the English teacher of Bell-lloc Infantil. Today, I would like to present you an English activity to work with P3, P4 and P5 students in order to review the colors and the numbers from 1 to 5. Black marker, different colors, white paper, scissors, clothespin, ruler. First of all, we're going to draw 5 different squares. Then we're going to color it with 5 different colors and we're going to cut it. Green, orange, purple, blue, yellow. Finally, we're going to write the numbers from 1 to 5 on the top of each square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 1 is green. The number 2 is orange. The number 3 is purple. The number 4 is blue. The number 5 is yellow. Well, this is the end. I hope you like this activity and I engage you to practice it at home. Thank you very much.